Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and along with Penny from Playful Doll Adventures. She changed her channel name, and it trips me up every time. We'd like to bring you this collab of these lovely ladies and their miniature American Girl dolls in summer outfits. And first, let me tell you who's in it, and then I'll show you my little outfits. Penny from Playful Doll Adventures, Tina from Tina's Reborns and More, Joni from Joni's Doll Photography, Ayla Avar, Dorie, Dorie's Dollies, J Dolls UK, Lorraine, Where Dolls Dwell. I always want to put a "the" in there. Karen, Starts and Stitches, and Renee, inspired by Pink Renee. All of their channels will be listed in my description because they all won't fit in the title. Please go by these channels because I know they're going to have some really cute outfits. The theme was summer outfits, so I gave it a variety of ideas. These two outfits came from AliExpress. They were I think they were less than $2. I know they were less than $3. Darren made the shoes and the stands. Julie doesn't have shoes because in the 70s, we didn't wear them, especially in the summer. We went barefoot in the winter, not outside, but we were barefoot. I made her little shorts and top. I kind of modified Chelly Wood's pattern. I changed it up just a little bit, made some tweaking. I made these two outfits from the book I've been talking about on my channel, and we were very patriotic in the 70s. Summertime, we wore red, white, and blue and showed our pride for our nation. And then that brings us to Felicity, who was also patriotic back in the 1700s. So I gave her this little modern day dress. Look how cute she is. She still has her little curls around the top. Forgive my voice, please. Then we have these two little girls. Aren't they adorable? I love these dolls. In their original outfits, we did add shoes. A lot of these girls, if you're buying these pre-loved on eBay, which is where mine came from, they come without shoes, which is fine for Julie. But Darren made these shoes. I'm so proud of him. He made the little stands. I just love it. And I want to thank each and every lady, Penny, Tina, Joni, Ayla, Dorie, Jay, Lorraine, Karen, and Renee for joining in this fun collab. Thank you for watching our video. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and join us on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. for our live.